What are the three golden rules of accounting? Personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. What is the accounting equation? Assets equals liabilities plus equity difference between debit and credit. Debit increases assets and expenses. Credit increases liabilities, income, and equity. What are assets? Assets are resources owned by a business that provide future economic benefits, such as cash, inventory, buildings, and machinery. What are liabilities? Liabilities are obligations or debts a business owes to others, such as loans, creditors, and outstanding expenses. What is depreciation? Depreciation is the systematic reduction in the value of a fixed asset over its useful life due to wear and tear or usage.